Utuko wa gukia umuthi kuraire miario gatagati ka ngwataniro ya madagitari KMPDU na thirikari kuhitukira kanjo ya magavana kwaririria mutaratara uria mabataire gukinyia igoti-ini ria wira. Maitho mothe riu mari igoti-ini miaraho ya umuthi kuona kana mugomo uyu wa madagitari ni ugukorwo ugikinya muthia. Maya makihanikaga atongoria makanitha kaunti-ini ya Siaya no marathie na mbere na kuhinyiriria madagitari ona mwena wa thirikari kuhorohia ngoro niguo manine mugomo uyu.
Call is for the government to play their part and the doctors to also come to table and swiftly engage in dialogue and agree on back to work formula which will be realistic and sustainable.
Kuringana na riboti iria marekereirie marauga a Kenya ni mathinikite na njira nene gwetha motungata morigitani ihinda-ini ria thiku 56 iria rigitani matakoretwo wira.
We believe we cannot afford to allow this stalemate to continue as it is jeopardizing the health and lives of countless individuals across our nation.
Agi aria makoretwo maigite miro yao thi ni arigitani ona atungati a rabu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.